Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first video in the series Java Fullstack Developer. In this video, I will outline some parts we will go through in this series. This series will be suitable for someone new to Java backend as well as for those who need for knowledge. As you see here are some parts we will go through. The first is the MySQL. We will cover the basics of SQL queries, database design, and next, the Java core. Java core involves fundamental Java programming concepts. We will cover object-oriented programming, OOP principles, data types, collections, exception handling, multi-threading, and input-output operations, and also how to interact with database using JDBC. And the next one, Java Advanced. In this section, we will learn how to use Hibernate for ORM, Object Relational Mapping, and String Framework to write RESTful APIs. We will delve into Spring Boot, String Data, GBA, and String Security to build secure and scalable applications. And we will also learn front-end basics. These parts contain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We will learn the basics of web development, how to construct a web page with HTML, style them with CSS, and add interactivity using JavaScript. And the last one is ReactJS. ReactJS is a popular JavaScript library for building user interface, particularly single-page applications. We will learn the fundamentals of React, including components, state, props, hooks, and how to manage application state with Redux.